Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel IQ Brain Trainer. My dear students, as you know, in the previous lecture we have discussed about few topics regarding solution chapter, which were most important for the NEET and JEE examination. We have already discussed about few concentration terms like mass by mass percentage, volume by volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, and mole fraction, molarity. These all topics we have already covered in the previous lecture. Today's our lecture is based on molarity formalities. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the most important topic, which is molality. Okay, molality. Okay, as you know, in the previous lecture we have discussed about molarity, but in this lecture we will discuss about molality. What is molality? Molality means the number of moles, the number of moles of the solute of the solute dissolved per kg or 1000 gram of the solvent. It means that the number of moles of the solute dissolved per kg or 1000 gram of the solvent. It means that solute will be dissolved in either in 1 kg of the solvent or 1000 gram of the solvent. Okay, now let us see the example. You know, molality is denoted by small m. Okay, and molarity is denoted by capital M. Okay, in the previous lecture I have already discussed about that. Okay, what is the example? Suppose you have 1 gram mole. There is a solution, and in that solution 1 gram mole solute dissolve in 1 kg of solvent. Solvent may be water, milk, or anything like C2H5OH means alcohol, anything may be there. Okay, 1 gram mole solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Okay, means 1 gram mole any substance may be there. Okay, and 1 kg of solvent in 1 kg of means solvent should be 1 kg or 1000 gram, same thing is there, 1 kg or 1000 gram. Okay, 1 gram mole solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. It is also called 1 molal solution. Okay, if there is a solution which have 1 gram mole of solute and that solute is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, then that solution is called 1 molal solution. I hope you understand properly. Okay, let us see example. One more example. Okay, for example 1.0 mole solution of KCl, 1 molar solution of KCl. What is the means of this sentence? It means that 1 mole 1 mole KCl, 1 mole KCl means 74.5 gram. How can we find out the 1 mole is equal to 74.5 gram? Means we have to find the molar mass. K is equal to atomic number 19, atomic mass 39. Cl atomic number 17, atomic mass 35.5. We will add this one and we will get 74.5 gram. This is the 1 mole. 1 mole 74.5 gram of KCl. It means that of KCl 74.5 gram of KCl is dissolved in 1 kg or 1000 gram of water or any solvent. You know water is a universal solvent. At maximum places we take water as a solvent. Okay, that's why I have written here water. You can take any solvent. Okay, now let us talk mathematically. How can you write mathematically? How can you represent the molality? You know, molality is represented by small m is equal to moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. You know, in the previous lecture I have told about molarity. In the molarity I have explained to you moles of solute means molarity is equal to moles of solute by mass of solvent in liter. Okay, only few difference between molarity and molarity. Here mass of solvent in kg and there volume of solvent in liter. Only few differences are there. Okay, I have already explained to you what is molality. Molality is the number of moles of solute dissolved per kg or 1000 gram of the solvent. If you will write in gram, then nothing, we have only few changes are there. You can write here moles of solute by mass of solvent in gram, mass of solvent in gram into 1000. Why we are writing here 1000? Because you know already 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. That's why we have written here 1000 gram. Okay, this is mathematically. Okay, what is the unit of molality? Unit, we are going to talk about unit is equal to, you know already, moles of solute is, you know already, moles of solute unit mole, and you know already mass unit kilogram, mole per kg, or you can also write like this, mole kg inverse. Okay, both you can write. Okay, now we are going to discuss few example based on these formula. Example, one question I am going to write here. I hope you will be understand properly, because very easy question I am going to explain you. Question. What is the question? Question is, calculate the molality. Calculate the molality of solution containing 20.7 gram of potassium carbonate. You know formula potassium carbonate, potassium K2CO3, potassium carbonate dissolve in 500 ml of solution. Here density is also given. Density is equal to 1 gram per ml. This is the density. You know why density is given? Because we have to change means mass. We have to change volume into mass into volume. If any changes is there, then we have to use density. Okay, let us talk about the question. It is very easy question. We have to solve this one. Okay, answer. Let us talk about solution. What is solution? Means we know already mass of K2CO3, potassium carbonate, is equal to 20.7 gram is given already. Okay, and molar mass, because without molar mass we cannot find out, because we have to write moles. Moles means molar mass is important, because we have to find out the number of moles. Molar mass of K2CO3 is equal to, we have to find out K value, already 39, because atomic mass of K 39 into 2 plus carbon 12 plus oxygen 16 atomic mass into 3. Total we will get 138 gram per mole. This is the molar mass. Okay, this is the molar mass of K2CO3. Clear? Now we have to find out the moles of K2CO3. What is the moles of K2CO3? Moles of K2CO3 is equal to only 20.7 given mass by molar mass. Okay, molar mass 138 gram per mole. Clear? Gram per mole. If we will solve this one, we will get 0.15 mole. This is the mole we have found out. Now mass of solution, we have to find out the mass of solution. Mass of solution is not given here. Volume of solution is given. We have to find out the mass of solution, and if we have to find out the mass of solution, then we have to use density. Okay, mass of solution is equal to, already density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Then mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, mass of solution is equal to density into volume. Density is equal to 1 and volume 500. Then what is the mass? 500 gram. 500 gram means we have find out mass. Now we have to find out one most important thing, that will be molality. Okay, now amount of means amount of solvent we have to also find out amount of solvent. Now let us talk about amount of solvent. Amount of solvent. Amount of solvent. How much amount of solvent? You know already total 500 gram were there. 500 minus 20.7 is equal to 479.3 gram. This is the amount of solvent or amount of water, whatever is there. Okay, amount of solvent. Now molality we have to find out. Molality formula you know already. Moles of solute by mass of solvent. In kg or gram. So if you write here gram, because here gram is given, so we have to write here into 1000. Clear? Now let us solve this question. Now we will put the value know already. 0.15 mole is given. 0.15 mole is given because moles of solute 0.15 we have find out already, and you know mass of solvent in gram we have also find out, because amount of solvent or mass of solvent, same thing is there. Here 479.3 gram. Okay, into 1000. If we will solve this one, then we will get 0.313 mole per kg. 0.313 mole per kg. Okay, or 0.313 molal. Same thing here. I hope you understand properly. If any doubt will be there, you may ask in the comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. Okay, now let us see one more example based on the same question, and the example which I am going to give you, you have to solve this one. Okay, calculate the molality of a solution containing containing 40 gram of CaCO3 is calcium carbonate dissolved in 250 ml of solution. Density is also given Density is equal to 2 gram per ml. Okay, this question is for you, my dear students. You have to solve and write the answer in the comment box. Okay, now let us talk about the next types of question which is most important for you. Pause the video and write the question and solve this one and write the answer in the comment box. Okay, let us talk about the next question. Question is 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid is dissolved in 75 gram of C6H6 means benzene. Okay, calculate the molality of the solution. Where is the question? Let us see the answer of this question. How can you solve this question? Okay, let us see. Firstly, we have to find the molar mass. Molar mass. Why we will find the molar mass? Because for finding the for knowing the mole, we have to know the molar mass also. Okay, now molar mass of CH3 COOH means ethanoic acid is equal to CH3 C12, carbon value 12 plus H value 1 into 3 plus carbon 12 plus mass of oxygen 16 plus 16 plus 1. Okay, I hope you can understand. Then total value will be 60 gram. How much gram? 60 gram. 12 3 15 15 12 27 and 32. 27 and 32 plus 1 33. 7 3 carry 1 and 2 60. Okay, total 60 gram per mole. Okay, 60 gram per mole. Clear? Now moles of CH3COOH we have to find out. For finding the moles, we have firstly find out molar mass. Moles of CH3COOH is equal to already 2.5 gram is given mass by molar mass. Okay, and the answer will be 0.0417 mole. Okay, if you will solve this one, then you will get the same answer. Okay, now mass of benzene is given already. Mass of C6H6 is given as equal to 75 gram. You can see here 75 gram is given. Okay, now what will you do? Nothing, only you have to put the value. So molality molality of CH3 COOH means ethanoic acid is equal to moles of CH3 means ethanoic acid by mass of benzene in gram. Mass of benzene in gram into 1000. Why we have written here mass of benzene in gram? Why? Because already 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid dissolved in 75 gram of C6H6, means that C6H6 is the, C6H6 is the solvent, okay, and 2.5 gram this is the solute. Clear? That's why we have put the CH3COOH as a numerator and benzene as a denominator. Clear? Now only we have to write the value. Value, what value is given? 0.0417. It is the value of CH3COOH, moles of CH3COOH, and 75 is the value of benzene into 1000. And if we will solve this one, then we will get 0.556 molal. This is the answer. I hope you understand properly all the topic which I have taught you. Okay, for today only these questions are there, these topics are there, and the next topic I will teach you normality and formality. I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.